direction. I ain't searching for perfection. Hopefully you'll be the one that I can share with my confessions. You got up for stressing, but I'ma count you as a blessing. It's electrifying how your sight can stimulate my senses. Got me on a natural high, no lying, so you know I'm so top fly. Co-pilot, let them haters talk, yeah, they're saying I ain't good for you. I ain't into talking, let me show you what I can do for you. Hold me down like gravity, give you loving with longevity. Give your boy some clarity, and we gon' push it past capacity. Depend on me like day and night, elevate to a different height. Push them haters to the side, out of mind, out of sight.